Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to recover Snapchat account. For that, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, on your bottom left you'll see the option of login. Tap on it. On the middle section of your screen, there you'll see the option of forgot your password. Tap on it. Select how you want to reset your password. For now, I'm going to reset it via email. After that, enter your email address. After you are done, select submit. Snapchat will now send you a verification email, so open up your mail. Once you open up your mail, there you'll see a link to reset your password. Tap on it. After that, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure that your password has at least 8 characters, contains a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers or symbols. And when you're done, tap on save. Your password has now been updated. Now go back to your Snapchat app. Enter your username or email address. Then enter the password you have recently set. When you are done, select login. This is how you can recover your Snapchat account if you have forgotten your password. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.